Hey friends, if you wish to install and use FreeCam on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's the interesting part. FreeCam does not exist on the Microsoft Store, and there are other screen recorders but not FreeCam. Maybe the reason is that Microsoft introduced that screen recorder in the sniping tool. That's why it doesn't want its competitors in the list. But here's what you can do. Search for FreeCam in the Bing search bar and click on this option here, which is freescreenrecording.com, and then enter your email ID. Okay. And then click on download and wait for it to download. And you'll get the installation file in a while. And then click on open. And it will start installing the FreeCam software on your computer. Once it is downloaded, check the box here. I accept the license and then click on install, click on yes for administrator permissions, and then click on launch. And once you click on launch, this will be launched. All you need to do is click on a new recording to create a new recording. It will start recording the screen. And here's one more thing. It can be accessed from this option here. But if not, you can always search for it and then open the app FreeCam. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.